Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris Rogers. Thank you for tuning in to this video today. I wanted to come to you and do a lot of dryer vent videos, which is part of my business, the Rogers Group SC, down in South Carolina. But I wanted to come to you, give you a little bit of background on myself, but also give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what we do in a appliance repair business. And everybody's going to be a little bit different. Like I said, I am in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm actually waiting on a customer to come home now so I can work on a dishwasher, which is my fourth stop of the day. But before I got into appliance repair, which I've been doing this almost 3 years now, February of 2023 will be 3 years that I've been in the appliance repair business. I was actually in the medical field for about 12 years. Started off with a company delivering medical supplies. Worked there about 6.5 years. Transitioned to another company, worked there about 1.5 years, and my last company I was there about 4 years. I was a director of operations, so for 8 out of those 12 I was literally on call every other week. I have a wife, 2 kids, so once the kids started getting a little bit older, it was harder and harder to be on call every other week, to be away from them. I traveled a lot for the job. So one of my buddies, he actually does appliance repair as well. He kept trying to get me to come in and start doing the appliance repair, but to be honest, I was really comfortable doing what I was doing. It was very easy work for me. At the time, I thought the money was good. It was sufficient. Company car, all the bells and whistles, all that good stuff. But February of 2020, we got bought out and all the management staff were fired. So kind of got kicked in the butt and had to start the appliance repair business. I did go to the appliance boot camp up in North Carolina. Went there the end of February of 2020. Luckily, by the time I was in the class, I was already doing it for maybe about 2 or 3 weeks, because once I got let go, I kind of had to jump into appliance repair. My buddy Gerard Reed, that actually owns Reed's Capital Enterprise, he was the gentleman that got me into it. We rode together for a couple weeks, let me get more hands-on before I went up to the class. Got to the class, learned a lot of the schematics and just really how things work. And I've been doing it ever since. Love it. There's so many different avenues with appliance repair that you can do. The beauty of it, you make your own schedule. Like I said, I've got a wife and 2 kids, and being able to be home when they get out of school, not having to be on call, not having to travel a week or 2 at a time for work is truly been a blessing. I know it's hard for people to start their own business or really get the courage to leave something that is comfortable. But sometimes you have to do it. My situation was a little different because I was fired. I didn't really have a choice but to start the appliance repair business. Luckily, the Lord blessed me in the fact that I was able to sign up for the class beforehand, because I was going to do it anyway. I just, like I said, I didn't want to leave an easy situation. But I'll be posting videos about this, every few days. I just want to give you, like I said, some background, some kind of a daily type blog, some things like that, just to show you what we do, show you some of the repairs that we do. Like I said, this is my 4th stop for today. This is a dishwasher door repair. I had an oven door repair, had a microwave install, and a Samsung dryer call. You get out of it what you put into it. It can be a very taxing job to do, especially around this time of year. It's cook season, as every appliance repair tech will tell you. Cook season and dishwasher season. So stoves, ovens, dishwashers, we get numerous calls a day. But once again, I appreciate you joining me. Like I said, I want to start giving you some videos like this to just give you some background, some story on how we do things, why we do things, how I got into it. Just want to give you a brief introduction video. If you do have any questions, please feel free. I do reply to every comment. Just ask away in the comment section. And if you don't mind, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a blessed day.